Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
The last year was one full of challenges. We keep saying that we are prepared to meet all challenges, but last year we had to walk the talk and actually rise up to the occasion and show that we are indeed prepared to meet all these challenges. And I'm happy to say that we did so and came out on top and with flying colors. The challenges were multifarious, but main among them, of course, was the COVID and the situation on the northern borders. It is not only eastern Ladakh, but we have maintained a high state of alertness all along our northern borders. And as of now, keeping the threat perception in mind, we have gone in for our winter posture and our winter deployment. But as I said, we are alert and ever ready to meet any challenges. 8 rounds of talks between the corps commanders have taken place. We are now awaiting for the dates for the 9th round of talks, and I'm sure that through dialogue and discussion, we will be able to reach an amicable solution based on the principle of mutual and equal security and in consonance with the talks and the understandings which resulted as outcome of the meetings between the respective defense ministers and the respective foreign ministers. So I'm very hopeful for a positive situation. But as I said, we are ready to meet any eventuality. All the logistics aspects have been very well taken care of, whether it is clothing, ration, habitat. There is no cause for concern at all. हाई एल्टीट्यूड के एरियाज़ में जो कोल्ड इंजरीज हैं, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जो हमने कार्रवाई की थी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट, स्पेशल क्लोथिंग, स्पेशल राशन, हीटिंग अरेंजमेंट्स, इन पूरे चीज़ों की वजह से इस साल जो कोल्ड इंजरीज़ है, हालांकि पिछले साल की निस्बत और ट्रूप्स है फॉरवर्ड एरियाज़ में LAC के ऊपर, LC के ऊपर, लेकिन फिर भी जो कोल्ड इंजरीज़ की मात्रा है वो तकरीबन उतनी ही रही है. पिछले साल 0.13% था, इस साल 0.15% है. और ये इसलिए है कि हम तैयार थे और सारे मिलकर इंजीनियर्स, MGO सारे मिलकर हम ये पूरी जो बैकअप चाहिए होता है फॉरवर्ड एरिया में डिप्लॉयमेंट के लिए, वो हम पूरा कर पाए और इसीलिए कोई ऐसे कोल्ड इंजरीज नहीं हुए हैं. कनेक्टेड टू दिस इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ collusion between Pakistan and China. There is no doubt that a collusive threat exists. This is not just something which was part of some strategy paper or loud thought process, but it is very much manifesting itself on the ground. There is indeed increased cooperation between China and Pakistan in both military and non-military fields, and a two-front threat is very much something that we have to be prepared to deal with. And in dealing with such a threat, we will of course have to see which is the more serious threat and prioritize and deal with that first.